Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using Alikay Naturals new Lemongrass Collection to do this cute 3-strand twist and curl style. Stay tuned to see how I got this look. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair and going to first add in the lemongrass leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair before I add in my styler. So I first want to start off by highlighting the smell of these products, you guys. They smell just like lemon and it's just such a fresh, clean smell. I just love the smell of all of these products in this collection. And so y'all, I have started finger detangling my hair before just going straight in with the comb, because since I've not been straightening my hair, I feel like it's getting even thicker. So it's just easier for me and quicker to finger detangle first and then go ahead and detangle with a comb next. And so after I finger detangle, I'm going to comb it out and then add in a little bit more of the lemongrass leave-in and then move on to the next section of hair. And if you guys are already familiar with the Alikay brand, then you'll know that the lemongrass leave-in conditioner was the first product created from this line. And next they just went ahead and created an entire line of lemongrass products to complement the lemongrass leave-in conditioner. And so I've already 3-strand twisted pretty much my entire head. I just have this front section left. And I'm going to be using the styling mousse from the collection to twist my hair. Y'all, this is something different for me because I have never actually twisted my hair using a mousse. So I'm just going to add a generous amount to a medium-sized section of hair. And I'm just using my detangler brush, and you always want to start detangling towards the ends of your hair, you guys. And I'm going ahead and separating my hair into 3 sections. And I'm going to get a little closer, y'all, with the camera, and I apologize, this is really not the best angle, but maybe one day I'll create a more thorough and detailed 3-strand twist out tutorial. But you know, this is pretty much what you do. You just kind of rotate those 3 strands of hair around each other and just continue to just twist them around one another. And then I'm just going to stop twisting about 2 inches up and then just add the perm rod to the end of this piece of hair. And I'm going to be using the white perm rods all throughout my hair. Sometimes I do switch and use different sizes, but this time I wanted to use the smaller ones on all of my twists. And y'all, look how shiny that mousse is making my hair. Like, it is just so shiny, and my twist was just looking so moisturized. So I actually really liked using the mousse. So now I'm done 3-strand twisting my entire head. And I did a pretty large twist, you guys. So I probably did maybe about 12 twists total. And so as always, I'm going to let this dry overnight, and then I also set under my hooded dryer the next day for about 45 minutes. So it's the next day and my hair is completely dry. Just removing my silk scarf and going to go ahead and start taking down the rollers first. Before I start unraveling all of my hair, I'm going to add some of the Sleek and Shine finishing oil. This oil makes your hair feel silky smooth and adds shine to your hair. Also reduces shedding and also promotes healthy hair growth. So oil has some really good benefits. And do y'all see how shiny my hair is looking? And all I used was leave-in conditioner, the mousse, and just sprayed a little bit of the oil on. So this is pretty much my finished results. Like, I was so satisfied and happy with these results. I will be leaving the link to Alikay Naturals website in the description box. You can go check out these products, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, easy style. Y'all know I stay coming with the fast tutorial, just something quick for y'all to still be cute and not take all day to do your hair. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.